functioning well, but they have poor health. And the way I describe mental health is like as if you have got, physically we have a poor health as well. So we say, oh, she's poorly, physically, she's poorly, headache or whatever, the pains and all that. Also, mentally, soulishly, in your soul, you can be sick. And that's what we're talking about, mental health, as far as I'm concerned. So, when you talk about physical health, also be thinking about mental health in the soul. Is that different from personality disorder?
That is personality disorder. So their personality disorder is a spectrum nowadays. That way, the ones we normally see is borderline personality. So people with emotional dysregulation, they self-harm, they make threats, they feel rejected all the time. Doesn't matter what you do, they feel empty. Some of them self-harm because they feel empty. They want to feel something. So we have that a lot, and it's all hidden because people keep it. If your child is self-harm, you don't want to tell anybody that is.
Encourage community leaders, whether churches, whether mosques, whether other communities within our community. How do we encourage people to open up without labeling them and stigmatizing them? So I think that's one kind of awareness. And linked to that, the second aspect of it is about our children. I know the Black community and ethnic minority community would like our children to go to the university. We like to give them good education, everything. But we are leaving a vital aspect out. We don't teach our children emotional intelligence, which is higher than any extra or anything. Because how do we teach them emotional intelligence? How to handle failures in life? Resilience, how to handle challenges in life? Because I grew up in the village, what I can handle. But many people, all my children now, they won't be able to handle that. Because I've seen a lot of things in life that if you have our just labs and this one, forget about it. That will take another person above the spectrum that will almost tell me. So, but how do we teach them right from time? Whether from the Word of God, whether from Quran, whether from the Bible, whether from our society, how to teach our children emotional intelligence is very, very vital. How to handle failures in life, how to handle issues in life.
And some of the risk factors or some of the causes or some of the triggers include type 1 diabetes. So if there are children that have been born with type 1 diabetes or are diagnosed with type 1 diabetes, just a portion of them can develop anorexia because of the situation that they go through trying to manage their diabetes. They get so worried about high sugars, low sugars, and as a way to avoid that, they just get so restrictive. Organizations that can help. We've got Mind. I think Domi mentioned it before. Someone was asking, where do you get help? You can self-refer now. So you can go on the Samaritans. I know we've got the Samaritans helpline. They are advertising everywhere, LinkedIn. If you can either talk through a chat or you can ring the number. I know that's probably the last resort. But if the GP is taking long and you need to talk to someone, and you want someone to just hear you, please just go to the My website. You can chat with someone straight away. Same as the Samaritans.